Well, here's the plane after I did some repairs on it. It actually didn't turn out too bad. If you notice that the cowling is still missing, and of course the spinner and stuff. There was a break right over here. You can barely even see it. Right down through here. And then it broke right here where the wings attach. And then there was some crushing up through here. And this was split down through. These were kind of bowed. It almost looked like a banana down through here on each side. But I was able to straighten that out using a hair dryer. Very carefully heating it up. It took probably about 45 minutes to get it heated up to the point where I needed it and move it into shape very slowly. So you heat it a little bit, move it a little bit, heat it a little bit. So you can see a little bit of wrinkles here from where it was crushed a little bit. And just a slight bow, but it's not that bad. And just a few wrinkles back here, but for the most part they came out as well. So I got the new parts for it just the other day. And here, let me grab that for you. One of the interesting things was I got a red spinner for it. They were out of the yellow ones, so this one was labeled as being silver, and it's labeled as being silver. So I thought, you know, it was with a red plane, and the picture showed red, but actually being labeled silver, I thought maybe it was actually silver. I didn't think that would look too bad, but I think it was going by the color of the airplane. So I got that. I also got... well, that's the old cowling. So we got a new cowling, which actually seems like a little bit heavier duty plastic than the old cowling. So that's good. And got the new prop blades here, so that I only broke 2 of them, so that gives me 2 spares there. So I'll have those for another time. And I also got a can of yellow paint. What I'm going to try to do, this is indoor, outdoor, supposed to dry in 10 minutes kind of thing. I'm going to try to paint the spinner up, and it's kind of cold and wet outside again, but I'm going to give it a try anyways. Hopefully the paint sticks, and then we'll put this together, and hopefully we'll be able to do a flight on it here sometime this week. I can't guarantee anything because it looks like another bad week. Okay, there we are, all back together. As you can see, the spinner actually turned out pretty good. There's a little bit of paint drip there, but for the most part it turned out okay. Gets going, won't even notice it. The cowling is a little bit darker. I may take that back off and repaint it just so it matches up a little bit better, but looks pretty good. Just got to put the wings back on it, and then triple check the controls again before the next flight, and give it a flight hopefully later this week. Maybe Friday I might be able to. Winds are supposed to be about 20 miles an hour tomorrow, so maybe Friday I'll be able to take it up for a test flight.